Weapon connoisseurs should be familiar with Tracking Point. This company develops not only guns, but also sighting systems. The key feature of the products is the ability to provide aiming fire based on a huge number of parameters, such as wind speed and direction, air density, the length of the barrel, and the muzzle velocity, and many others. It's quite simple to shoot. The electronic systems take care of all of the complex operations. The shooting algorithm looks like this. The shooter sees the target and marks it with a red dot. Then they just have to hold the trigger and align the blue crosshairs with the red dot. As soon as it turns red, the shot is fired. The engineers report that when shooting from about 0.57 miles, your shots will strike within 0.5 inches of your aim point. This system would be perfect for hunters who can't spare enough time to practice their marksmanship.
5 yards out, 9 miles an hour.
The experts from Radatech created a futuristic device. This gun looks like it came out of a video game. It's all because of the kit, which can turn a regular gun into a smart one. The OLED display, which can show a variety of data, is probably the most outstanding feature. In particular, the gun can show whether a cartridge is in the chamber, how many cartridges are left in the magazine, how many shots were fired, and cartridge consumption by day. There's also an app for your smartphone, and you can download the data via Bluetooth. Interestingly, a standard Glock 17 Gen 4 was used for the project. By the way, the electronic system doesn't affect the ability to shoot, even with a discharged battery. The battery can provide up to 3 hours of continuous operation, and you can easily recharge it using a USB cable. Next up is this combat module created by the German company Rheinmetall. It's one of the largest manufacturers of military equipment and weapons, not only in Germany, but all over Europe. Thanks to its flexible configuration, the model can be easily used with weapons in caliber 5.56 by 45mm to 6.72 by 51mm. It's designed to be mounted on trucks, but a special mounting technology allows both wheeled and tracked vehicles to be used with this module. A self-stabilizing system is also provided. Thanks to the all-season FlexEye sensor system, the module can automatically track multiple targets and display data about them. The combination of intuitive control and intelligent support systems makes it easy for the operator to work even in extreme conditions. This gun can only be fired by an authorized user, Radatech engineers state. The trick is a special bracelet that tracks not only the location of the gun, but also the contact with the skin, blocking or allowing firing. That way, a gun taken away in the heat of a fight will not be used against its owner. The wristband can also be set up to be used by a group of users, and it's convenient to wear it not only on your arm, but on your leg as well. The gun itself is comfortable to grip with both left and right hands, as well as 2 hands at once. In case the battery is low, there are 2 options: full lockout and normal gun mode operation. The experts from Kalashnikov Concern present this gun as a unique rifle for tech geeks. The design of the gun is reminiscent of the video game Doom, and thanks to the interesting features and modular design, it's suitable for a wide range of tasks. First of all, it's worth mentioning the Android mini computer built into the gun, equipped with a digital display. Thanks to this, shooting statistics and other options are available. For example, a shooting timer, a stopwatch, and a compass. Also, every 250 shots you get a message about the need for maintenance. The gun is designed for 1270 rounds, while the magazine capacity is 6+1. The gun weighs 9.7 pounds and has a barrel length of about 20 inches. This engineering masterpiece was introduced to the general public at the SHOT Show back in 2004. The idea was simple. Why not make a pistol for the 12.7 by 99mm NATO cartridge? A little bit of engineering savvy made it a reality, and even professional hunters were among the target audience. Of course, the gun is single shot, and the loading system is similar to that of an artillery cannon. The breech is hinged to the left, and the round is inserted from the rear of the gun. The pistol is fitted with a hydraulic system to reduce recoil. According to test data, the gun can kill an elephant or a rhinoceros, and in some cases, it can penetrate tank armor. However, the gun is more popular among collectors. Despite the intimidating size of this revolver, it's designed for playing airsoft. The model was produced in a limited edition, about 1,500 pieces, according to the author of one of the videos, and costs about $240. The set includes the revolver itself, ammunition, a special certificate, tools for adjustment, and a patch. Each piece has a unique serial number. The revolver works with 12G CO2 cartridges, and is equipped with non-slip pads for comfortable grip. However, this version is not about comfortable and accurate shooting, but rather about making everyone go, wow. As one of the users rightly pointed out, he makes you feel like a villain from a James Bond movie. This smart gun idea by the German company Armatix is simple and reminiscent of the Raditech project we saw earlier. The gun comes with a special watch that connects to it via RFID. The user enters a code into the watch, which is known only to them, and if the watch is not within 10 inches of the gun, they can't fire it. The watch can also be used to track shooting statistics and lock the gun. The gun's designed for .22 LR caliber and weighs 1.1 pounds without the magazine. The magazine holds 10 rounds, and the effective range is 226 feet. The pistol and watch set was scheduled to sell for $1,800. This compact gun by Sig Sauer was promoted as the smallest submachine gun in the world in 2019. It's available in several versions, for civilian and military use. In the second case, different firing modes and other options are available, such as a folding buttstock and a rail for optics. The gun is 9mm caliber, 14.7 inches long, and weighs about 4.5 pounds. Magazine capacity is 10 or 20 rounds. It's adapted for left-handed shooters and is ideal for security guards and officers, as it can be concealed under clothing or in a bag. However, the price at the start of sales was about $1,600, which surprised many gun enthusiasts. Don't you think it's a little expensive? Unique, adaptable, retro. This is how the creators of this gun described their product. One of the key features of the gun is a 50-round magazine, and it comes with 2 of them. Surprisingly, it uses a quite rare 5.7 by 28mm cartridge, originally developed in Belgium for the FN P90 machine gun. According to the manufacturer, this solution allows the gun to be used in a wide range of applications, from sporting and hunting to self-defense. The weight of the gun without a magazine is 3.2 pounds, and its length is 15 inches. The magazine is inserted into the receiver and is located parallel to the barrel. The safety lever is located on both sides of the receiver, and if you're a fan of customization, you'll be pleased with the Picatinny rails. The price of the gun is about $1,000. If you are looking for a gun-themed gift, check out this option. The miniature Colt 1911 stands out not only for its great attention to detail, but also for its impressive functionality. Over 4 million real Colt 1911 pistols have already been produced, but these models are much rarer. Their manufacturing process remains a mystery, but we can see a clear demonstration of their capabilities. The length of the model is about 2.7 inches, and the functionality is the same as that of a real gun. Blanks are used for safety. These models are handmade by the Russian studio Ru Gun Model. The price is about $700. Maybe you remember the unusual glove pistols from Quentin Tarantino's Inglourious Basterds. These weapons were not invented by the director. Around 50 to 200 pieces of the famous Sedgley OSS-38 were manufactured during World War II, and nowadays, both museums and private collectors own some of them. The caliber of the model is 9mm, and it holds 1 round. When the person makes a fist, the plunger and muzzle are left slightly in front of the knuckles, allowing you to shoot by punching the opponent. It was created with a specific purpose: to protect the officers of the US Navy engineering brigades who were building infrastructure on the atolls of the Pacific. The jungle clearing required heavy machinery, the drivers of which were particularly vulnerable to ambush attacks. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.